According to Mr. Zire, the likelihood of two people sharing the same DNA pattern would be 1 in a trillion, with the exception of identical twins, which they share the same uh, DNA region pattern. Mr. Zire noted that in New York City, the medical examiner's office's tests for 15 sets of the possible 26 loci, which is alleles, for humans in order to confirm a sole source for confirmation. The test consists of looking at the alleles or genetic markers in the sample in which a region may possess 1 or 2 alleles, and these results are double checked with other labs and even nationwide databases to confirm that it is one in a unique sample. Mr. Desire also noted that there's 2 different types of identification which may occur during a criminal investigation. Uh, Many people are aware of positive identification, but some are not aware of presumptive identification. Mr. Desire also noted that there's a major difference between the both of these 2 types of identification. With the positive identification, the DNA evidence can 100% validate who the person's identity is. Oftentimes, this is often used through blood or even bone samples. Um, Even, for instance, like with positive identification, tattoos, and even surgeries, like unique surgeries such as breast implants, which have serial numbers, they're able to be traceable back to a person to establish positive identification of the individual. Um, Oftentimes, especially with tattoos, they are often documented in correctional facilities. All tattoos are part of the APHIS system. So if a individual becomes found on the street as deceased with a specific tattoo, the tattoo can be uploaded into the system and it can verify who the individual is. This is why in correctional facilities, um, any inmates who have tattoos or piercings, they will often document it and photograph it as well, and it's also in addition for security purposes. The other type, which is presumptive ID, it only assumes that whoever has the evidence on them is presumptively the right person. Some examples of presumptive ID may include bank cards, social security cards, driver's license, and even like photos of the individual itself. Although these are valuable to investigation, they can prove that the person that is holding them is the right person. But however, they're not scientific because the person may not be who they are.